Wagwan.
Alright, on the man then. Yo guys, it's Lee. Welcome back to another video. Wow. Today I am joined with Joe Time. Why my neighbours want to move out. Not because of me. Yeah. What we are going to be doing in today's video is I have a selection of celebrations, selection chocolates, Cadbury's infused sensations. Ready for your mouth. Space hoppers. What we are going to be doing is bouncing around on the space hoppers for 24 hours, and it is the last to leave the space hopper wins.
We're not, are we?
Hey, hold that a sec. Hold that. Hold it. Hold it. I'll be back in a sec. I'll show you what your prize is if you win that you're not going to win.
Oh, sick, a prize. I've never actually got a prize on YouTube before. I hope it's not like, like 10,000. What is it, 10,000? Oh. But I know Lee, and I know it's going to be real money. So this is actually really good, this, because I was actually thinking of buying... What was I thinking of buying? What was it? I think it was like a deposit on an app. Come on then, what's the prize? Oh, sick!
Money. £10,000 of it.
Thank you.
Oh, not yet. So I'm gonna go get the space hoppers. We are gonna blow them up and then take on the challenge of last to leave the space hopper. Are you ready?
Yes, Captain.
Let's go choose our space hoppers.
I can see you. That's not the pump, is it? Oh my...
I'm gonna be here forever. What colour do you want? We have 3, so you can choose from 3.
Orange, please.
You can have orange and I'll have blue. We don't need the pink one. Let's blow up some space hoppers. Yeah, that's what you gotta do, buddy.
I know, but why does it look like a toy? This is not.
So we've got you down here for the time being. We're gonna attempt to blow up the space hoppers with this little bad boy. It might take a long time.
What? It's a 24-hour challenge, this.
I know. We'll help you. Yes. The only instructions we have is 3 pictures, and one says to wash it, one says don't get a sharp object.
How are they instructions? It tells you how to bounce. So this comes out.
Somehow we've got to pull those out. Yeah. Oh, you just push it, and out it comes.
I don't think I'm doing it right.
Plug it in and press it.
Pump it.
Oh, gonna be here for a long time.
Pump it. Go on, Lee, pump it. My bum goes there.
Yeah, have you never been on a space hopper before?
Yeah, but
We're nearly there with this one. Just needs a bit more so that we can put this back in.
tell me when to stop.
Keep going.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Oh! One down, another one to go. We've got 2 space hoppers.
Hallelujah.
Now we can complete the challenge. Oh, we're on the space hoppers. It's kind of.
We haven't started yet.
Ow! Last to leave the space hopper. Oh! Oh! Right guys, so as soon as we sit on the space hoppers, that is when the challenge starts. The rules are, if your skin is still technically touching the space hopper, you've not left it. Until you are completely out of contact, the challenge still continues. So 3, 2, 1, and it started for me.
My skin hasn't made contact yet.
Right, are you gonna make it make contact?
That was scary.
Contact has been...
So, no! I'm not losing that money.
Me neither.
Hang on a minute. What did you mean about? Because it's only my shorts touching it. Just your body's touching it.
So, say this happens, for example, you happen to fall, but you're still holding it.
And can we like?
You can try, but you're not gonna get me.
I'm gonna win.
We're gonna go on a little adventure and sweat like absolute sweat boxers because
It's like 30 degrees.
it's very hot in London, so I've got to somehow bounce on a space hopper while holding my camera.
Oh, forgot about that.
This is gonna be
And I
really
don't.
good. Let's go! Right, Joe, I always want you in frame, so you're gonna have to follow wherever I go.
Right.
What's this footage gonna look like? Just this. Sorry, everybody, it might make you a little bit dizzy. Anyway, I need a wee soap. In we go!
Okay, family channel.
I'm in the toilet, but now, how do I go about doing my procedure? Now, oh, wow. Well, oh, okay, I'm back.
I'll tell you what, you have a wee, I'll get in the bath.
Right, go on then, you get in the bath. Go on, the bath's there. Big leap. Oh! I don't actually know if we should be doing this. Maybe I should get out of the bathroom first if you're gonna get in the bath.
That was really scary. I want a bath.
Let me reverse. Now you could get in the bath.
Because you were here, that's why I couldn't get
That
in.
was the problem.
What is it?
The plant pot! You're gonna smash the plant pot! Oh god!
I'm in the bath.
I'm still on my... I'm still on my space hopper.
I got some muscle soak.
Oh, do you really, buddy?
Don't even think about it, Lee. Don't even. I can see it in your eyes.
I'm on my space hopper.
I didn't say you want. Don't even do it. Don't, Lee.
What you got there, Jersey?
Muscle soak, sage and sea minerals, and what it does is it would help, I guess, if you had a long day. I didn't use my Radox. I haven't been muscle soaked, Lee. I've just been soaked.
Can you take that?
Oh no! Can you take my Radox from me? This is good to my advantage because when we get outside in the 35-degree day, this is my advantage.
But now
because I'm
you're gonna
cool.
get out of the bath, buddy.
Oh, don't you worry about that.
I'll move out the way so
Can you
get
take
out.
my Radox?
Oh, sorry, pass me your Radox. Yeah, oh, and this way. Yeah, thanks for the Radox. While Joe's doing that, everybody, I'm literally just saturating on my space hopper. Go on, you've got it! You've got it! Go on.
The space hopper's not going first.
Do you want me to give you a little bit?
No!
Okay.
I'm gonna win this.
Okay, go on then. Out you get.
Why is it stuck? It's the Radox. Go on.
Well done, buddy. You
Fine.
passed challenge 1. There's just one problem. You're in my way and I need to get to the toilet.
Oh, you actually need it?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
You take the camera. In I go. Now, the aim for this bit of
If you
the
bounce
challenge...
up and down and I follow, then the camera won't move. Go on. Oh, it's
the
not
camera's
working.
moving.
Not working, sorry.
What I'm going to try and do is get my space hopper in the toilet.
What?
What? Space hopper?
Yeah, but why?
Just because it needs to poo.
Basketball skirt? What? What?
I ain't putting your knee. Okay, maybe I'll take that as a pass because I've just had...
Take it as a pass.
And I feel a little bit dizzy now. Maybe we should do an obstacle course. On, obviously, a space hopper, because that's a part of the challenge. Let's go do a space hopper madness! Ah! 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 Ooh! Ooh!
Alright, let's go do it.
Yeah, let's go do it. I'm coming. I'm following you.
It's waiting at the red light.
Hello.
Green. This is so hard to do. Your channel, you take it.
Oh, thanks everybody. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and
Give it a small twiglet up.
space hopper. Right, so we've got the obstacle course set up, and I'm going to take you all through now on my little space hopper to show you what to do. So this is the starting point. What we've got to do is bounce over to the beanbag.
Sorry.
Are you alright there?
Yeah, I'll
buddy?
just stay here.
Yeah, that's cool. Jump over the beanbag, round to a round to the pillow with Joe's face.
Oh, yeah.
Joe's face.
Hey, whoa. Why? This is a hate crime. It's been on for quite some time, actually. I thought it was just a funny bit for the vid, but it's quite... Oh.
What we have to do is jump over Joe's face like this, and then...
Just landed on my face.
Joe's face. Then what we have to do is come over to the chair, go around it that way twice, and then once we go around it, out onto the balcony. No, it's not there. I'm just checking that there's no one there so they don't think we're weird.
I've gone past that, yeah.
Once you're on the balcony, touch the glass, turn around, and back inside. I'm gonna have to take this off because it keeps whacking me in my nozzle.
Right.
Back inside, over here.
Hang on. There were some big leaps I did then.
Hello. And to finish off the course, you have to put your butt in the donut. Complete.
But that was just to practice.
That was just practice.
Right then, let's do it!
Let's do it! Are you ready? Do you think you can keep up with me? Because I'm going to be an absolute speed demon. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, God.
Was that a big jump?
Yeah, well done, mate. Oh, watch my chair.
Move out a bit. Last one.
So precise.
I whacked myself in the head with my watch. Move out of my way, fat boy.
Done.
I don't know how I'm going to beat that. I actually don't.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Go! I need jump for it. I need to be back. I'm on the space of the.
I'll give you another go.
3, 2, 1. Go! Here we go. Oh, he's over the beanbag. And he's straight over it. Now carefully around the chair this time.
Alright, that's one. Straight out again.
Touch the glass. Back through. All right, Margaret. Here we go. All the way through. Now to the donut. To the donut. Put the bum on the donut. Oh, watch the door. Right, we have completed the obstacle course that we made. Now we are actually gonna go out of Joe's apartment block to an already earthly made obstacle course.
An earthly made?
An earthly made, a man-made obstacle course.
It's an actual obstacle. It's an actual obstacle course. I made it. Tasker Constructions Limited.
And we're gonna ride it. Let's go! Key. Key, there you go. I'll give you the key. Be quiet. Shh. I think I need a bit of help.
Good technique, good technique.
What's that?
The carpet's tripping me Wow. Did you let go then?
No, don't be silly. I'm not cheating. Joey Adventures. Here we go. It's task lift. Press it, press it. Ah. Oh. That side. Oh, reverse. Oh. You coming in? Oh, the door's shutting. Joe.
Upside down. I can't see if someone's there.
There we are. Ground floor. Oh, I've lost your big camera. Hello. I'll be a gentleman.
Thank you, dear. Oh,
We're going on concrete. What if it pops?
they're meant to be outdoors.
Oh, we're about to find out. And let's go to the obstacle course. Keep moving. So we've made it to the obstacle course. Joe, give him a tour.
It's just them, and then you bounce on it.
Yeah, that's basically it. So I'm gonna be bouncing.
Are we flat?
Anyway, obstacle course. Are you gonna end up breaking a phone here?
On the obstacle course. What are you doing, George?
Like this. Yeah, think it's good. You ready for the last one? Hey, ready for the big boy? I'm gonna try and clear that from this. Yeah?
What, that?
Yeah, of course I am. You ready?
Oh, be careful. Oh, nice one. Oh, no.
Ow!
Oh, no.
Be back. I'm ready. Taking on the bench. I'm
Right
gonna try
then,
and jump
hang
from
on.
this to
Yeah,
the
let me
bench.
just set up the camera. Hey?
What's up?
The sky.
Will I make that?
Yeah.
I don't know if I will.
Yeah. Oh, no. Don't land it on the spike.
I don't know if there's a bit of cheating going on. Jesus.
I think this is the end of the ball.
Is this... is this cheating?
That's not... If you're not spaced off in, you just walk.
Do you know what? I think this is the end of my obstacle course experience. And I'll let Joe take over now.
Okay.
Just because I'm getting a bit of hay fever and I might be slightly stuck.
Okay. Ease up. Ease up.
Go on. Straight across. And jump. Yeah. You're actually wanting the ball. Along the bench. Go on.
It's really scary. It's really scary.
It's so far away, man. Okay. For Leeds. I can't. Let me have a run up. Let me have a bounce up. Go on then. Did it? Oh. Did you see that the potential head damage? We've almost had a lot of damage in this video, Joe. Do you think you can make that? I'm doing it right now. Oh, wow. Wow. We've done the obstacle course. Now we're going to go outside and have a nice
We
little...
are outside.
You know, a bit further.
Oh, a bit further
A bit
outside.
further
Okay,
outside.
okay,
We're going to have a nice little jump along, what's it called, like the dock area?
A path.
A path.
Oh, side of the River Thames is
Side of
called
the River
Riverside.
Thames. Riverside. Over to the Riverside we go.
Okay. Oh, get out my bush. Get out my bush.
Ow.
Oh my god, injury. Blood warning. Oh!
Ah, what a lovely day. Sun's out, guns out. not quite yet.
You've joined me out on the Riverside where I'm going to take part in a little gym workout. Here we are.
About time. Okay, here we go.
Just need to get my booty on it.
God.
I'm nearly there, don't worry. Oh, I'm on.
And off you go.
What's the point of this?
Well, you're not going to do it with a bouncy ball. What's it called? I forgot what it's called.
Space hopper.
You're not going to do it with a space hopper.
Do I have a space hopper? Just my booty?
It looks like a gym ball now. You really do go to the gym.
I really do. Just one more pump.
Do you mean one more? You haven't done anything.
I'm stuck. Well, if you've liked this video, please like it. If you've enjoyed it, subscribe to me, subscribe to Joe. Let's go back to the apartment, Joe.
Go on then.
Okay.
Where's the hand going?
On my stick.
The seat, the movie seat of the seat's rearranged itself.
We've made it. Back up. In you go.
Shut that door.
Over to here.
How high to go?
Yeah, really high. Jesus.
Ready?
Go on. Give us a jump. Wow. Oh my God. That's actually well. Well done, Joe. I'm so proud of you, mate. Joseph, come here. We're gonna do a little talking point. Hey, Ben. Come on, then. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like down below and...
What's happened there? What's happened there? What's going on here? What's going on here? You don't put your head in it, that would be silly. Don't put your head in space hoppers. Oh, look, I've lost! Mate, I have done the biggest leg day ever. You won't get, you can't do it. Stop! I'm still on it.
Well, I think Joe's won. The whole video I cheated.
I thought you did.
I fell
I'm
off.
oblivious to this.
I fell off about 5 times. You'll probably see it in the video, but I cheated. So Joe, you've won the money.
Yes, come on! I'd just like to thank my mum for sprouting me out and everyone for being there for me throughout this experience. I can't feel my legs now. I am here. I can't feel my legs now. I am here. Oh, big stacks, bro.
Well done, buddy.
I'm gonna spend this on space hoppers.
Yeah, I think you should. Well done, buddy.
I'm so happy, thanks, bro.
You did well.
Nice one.
Thank you so much for watching that video, everybody. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, go down below, leave a like and subscribe if you are new. Go subscribe to Joe. We're filming on his channel as well. Hope you enjoyed that money, Joseph.
Money for the journey home.
Oh, thanks,
It's
buddy.
alright, don't worry about it.
It's really creased. This'll not
Well,
even...
if you don't want it, no worries.
Okay, you keep it, buddy. Thanks for watching, and peace. Goodbye, everybody.